he's a man of many parts as a cliche. So he's, if you want to see him dance, he's an excellent dancer. If you want him to do action, he's an excellent fighter. He's also a very, very good actor. From the world of television to the world of Sanjay Bhansali, you've seen him in all. I'm in conversation with Shantanu Maheshwari. Thank you so much for being part of this.
Thank you for inviting me. Thank you so much.
My first question to you is, you've been in the business for almost 10 years. What would you tell Shantanu who came into the business 10 years ago?
Keep doing you and just have faith, believe in yourself, and yeah, you will land up somewhere.
Tell me about the audition processes and all those days. How, like, tell me about your rejections, tell me about your heartbreaks. What made you come to this? I know you studied here in HR college, right? So, what made you, of course, everybody knows that you're a great dancer and all of that, but what, is there something, did you come here to be a star? Did you come here to be an actor? What made you do all
It's funny. I mean, I never wanted to come in front of camera. I was always focusing to become choreographer or photographer. That was the idea. So I didn't get admission in Xavier's, Calcutta Xavier's. So I was very disappointed. And that was the only year they stopped cultural quota. So I didn't apply for any other colleges. That's where my Bua stays here in Mumbai. She was like, "Idhar aaja, matlab yahan par you will get, your marks is good." I got some 85%. So like, with a good marks, you will get in one of the top college. And my thing was, if I'm going to college, even if it's for graduation, it has to be from top college. So that's how I landed up in Mumbai. My sister really helped me to get admission in HR, and yeah, I mean, and I was there through cultural quota, so we had to dance in all the events that were happening. So I got picked up through one of the events. I still remember Phoenix, Town Phoenix. I was there for Channel V India Fest. We were giving audition, and that's where production people were there. Like, they were looking for fresh faces. I'm like, "Will you be interested in doing it?" I'm like, "Wow, very nice. Okay, give it to me." But my friends were, the studio was, this was Cinevista studio. So studio was in Kanjur Marg. And all my friends were like, "Where is this place?" And they were from Mumbai. They're like, "Where is this place? Humko nahi pata. Pagal hai, could be." These people do a lot of jhol japata with these college students and everything. So I'm like, okay, I will not go. Then suddenly there's a choreographer, Ruel. He mentioned that no, there's a genuine dance show that's happening, being made first time for television. So go give the audition. Went there, ऐसे fun में gave the audition. But yeah, ये था कि जब audition piece आया तो gave it full shiddat, did it. And then they said, yeah, I would love to, try you for this part and that part. Then they started having conversation about money. I was like, कुछ भी दे दो उस समय. We were in college. I was in second year of college. Like, whatever you want to give it to me. I mean, I'm more than happy. Then whatever, I mean, we used to get, and then that's how it started. So it was not that I wanted to. So what was the
audition for a reality show?
No, it was not a reality. It's a dance-based first fiction show on television.
Okay, and what was it called?
Dil Dosti Dance.
Oh,
yeah, for Channel V.
Okay. That lasted how long?
Approximately 4 years.
So what do you think, if you had to revisit that, was that a good start for you? What would you have done differently?
I don't think nothing different, because I feel the crew was so good. They really used to treat us as their own kids, because everyone somehow, like from spot boy to the main director, everyone had some dance connection, some music connection. So they all knew that we are fresh faces. We are all dancers who are going to be, molded into acting and everything. So that's when I realized acting. I got to explore photography, as I said earlier, so understanding lights, understanding direction. My friend and I did a lot of choreographies for the show. So we learned that aspect of it, editing aspect of it. So the filmmaking, that became our filmmaking school. On ground training, you're getting paid also, and you're learning also every day in, day out. We used to come like 8 o'clock, pack up at 9:30, rehearse for the dance sequences. The next day, come back again, shoot, do the same thing. So that went on till 4 years approximately, as I said. So yeah, it was a big, good learning for me.
And then from there?
From there, then the struggle started. Because I didn't know how to give auditions, how to approach people and everything, because we were so in our cocoon in our own world that it has gone.
So then the acting bug bit you, basically.
I mean, between within first 6 months actually, I understood that this is my passion. I'm loving how the way it has been written, and I have to enact it in a certain manner from his point of view, like a character's point of view, and then you have your own point of view. You're constantly fighting, having a debate with the writer, though they're not entertaining you much, but trying to understand because kya karna hai, kya nahi karna hai. So that was the cool part. Then one or two auditions started coming, but they were very similar roles that I was getting, like dance based. एक हम television story कर रहे हैं जहाँ पर आपको dance based का role है, तो that used to be by like patent thing, and I was like, I can do something more, I mean, that is just not, you're just boxing me in one kind of category. I can do more than that. I'm not just a dancer who's trying to act, and that's when I, after like a year or year and a half, I got my first just acting project. It was for Bindas channel. They were doing this series called Ye Hai Aashiki. So they were like episodic stories, and where I got a stutterer role, like the person who stammers, so that kind of thing. And that's where I was like, oh my god, I have to get to grind, and you have to learn, you have to understand, you have to do a lot of research work because you have to be right. I didn't want to be very caricaturish, and everyone appreciated my role. So I was like, yes, that's when I was like, I'm understanding. I'm trying to prepare myself for bigger roles and everything. So that's how it started. Yeah. But I have had very bad experiences in terms of audition. While I was doing D3, I was once called for this movie audition. I still remember clearly, and it was so depressing. They called me. It was a very simple boy next door kind of a role. I had prepared. There were three. Yes, I'm very sure. 3 people were there, and I auditioned in front of them. They recorded it, and they just blasted at me, like how you see Raghu, Rajiv blasting contestants. And I was like, I did nothing wrong, and they were like, you TV artists, you guys don't understand this and that, you don't understand how to deliver a line, it's so fake. And I came from youth background, youth television, which was very realistic. It had nothing drama like didn't. This was not happening there. So I was like, and I had some certain kind of sense in terms of how to act in a basic audition manner. And they blasted at me. I was so depressed. I was so angry at myself that why did I even go out of my comfort zone to give an audition? And luckily, after giving this audition, within span of like 2-3 days, I got a chance to share this with my director. And that's when she said that, nothing, I mean, it's okay. There are a lot of people who will try to bog you down. Maybe they are seeing your potential. They don't want you to work in a certain manner. So, there's a pent up anger and frustration in others also. So you just have to take it that way and just keep going. It's not that you're doing wrong. You can see you're doing well in your show, right? People are loving you. And we were a rage back then, not trying to be pompous about it. But D3 was a big hit. In the youth circuit, in the school circuit, everyone knew us.
So how did you feel when people would recognize you and all that?
Feel overwhelmed. Didn't expect it, when you're not expecting. We thought, so this festival called Channel V India Fest, where we were picked. The next year we went to shoot there as a crew, the Dil Dosti Dance. And we were just shooting our film, and everyone, all the students came along, and they were like, they're filming, and the whole bunch of people came, and they're like, we want a photograph, we want an autograph, and we were so old. We at one point thought nobody is watching us because we were never invited for these big television award shows back then. So we were like, what are we doing? घर वाले भी पूछते थे कि अरे तू टीवी कर रहा है, तुम कैसे नहीं परफॉर्म कर रहे हो, तुम तो उससे अच्छा परफॉर्म करोगे, why are you not being called? So it used to get frustrating at times, but then that validation was important कि अच्छा कोई तो देख रहा है, अच्छा ये लोग देख रहे हैं. So that became very overwhelming, and that's when a certain sense of responsibility also came in, that you have to be good at your craft. There are so many people, youngsters, who are watching, and you have done a decent job. So try to at least maintain that. So yeah, that was the thing.
And then campus meets happen.
No, campus meets happen like now. I mean, then I think then I did another show for MTV called Girls on Top. That was also a very nice show. It was based on 3 girls, and I was playing one primary part in it. Then Jhalak was offered to me. So Jhalak was offered to me. That was my entry towards the GC market, I would say. A very
So when you
different.
do something like Jhalak, I mean, who was your partner on Jhalak?
Alicia.
Okay. So when you do something like Jhalak or you do a Fear Factor, so what do these reality shows prepare you for?
For me, Jhalak prepared me for the glam world actually. Because उसके पहले, as I said, we were never invited to any award shows or anything. तो मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आया था. So when I was first day, I still remember before my performance, I was just blank. And as a dancer, I should be performing एकदम confident होना चाहिए. I was blank. It was so glamorous everything, and bit of fakeness also there. I mean, like everyone like अच्छे से बात कर रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, ये भी अच्छा है. मतलब ये तो सब मेरे competition है, ये मेरे इतने अच्छे sweetly क्यों बात कर रहे हैं, you know, and people around also. So it was like अच्छा ठीक है, अच्छा now I understand what people say कि थोड़ा fakeness कहाँ से आता है, because वो first hand experience ही नहीं था हमारे पास. So that's when I got like अच्छा okay, that's how you do things. एक X factor चाहिए रहता है, you know, when you're dancing in front of camera. I mean, we were like इसके पहले मैंने बहुत सारे dances किए, दिल दोस्ती डांस से. But when you are dancing as a celebrity, there needs to be a certain kind of X factor to it. You can't dance as a dancer because then आप में X factor क्या है? You know, so those were the things that ये मुझे गणेश हेगड़े सर ने बोला था, X factor लेकर आ, you know, डांस तो सब कर सकते हैं, तू क्या कर रहा है अपने लिए, you are a good dancer, do it. So that's when धीरे धीरे जो inputs मिलते हैं वो आपको समझ में आता है कि अच्छा ठीक है, what people want, if you really are looking to become big or hero, तो क्या क्या चीज़ें आपको work करनी पड़ती है. तो ये सब छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो है ये हमारी guidance है कि कैसे वो जो छोटे छोटे अभी फरा मैम थी, फरा मैम must have commented something, Jacqueline was there, so everyone shares their experiences. So and then you have your contestants also who are bit senior to you, so you understand, you talk to them, you understand क्या उन लोग कर रहे हैं, किसी के क्या tantrums है, अच्छा ये क्यों कर रहे हैं tantrums, अच्छा इसलिए कर रहे हैं, that you have to take a stance for your staff also, which is preparing you in some way or the other, right, to be a good human being. At times you get to judge in terms of कि क्या filter out करना है information, क्या तुमको बोलना है, तो वो सारी चीज़ें के लिए बहुत बहुत प्रिपेयर करता है. खतरों के खिलाड़ी really helped me become mentally strong. मतलब अगर आप दिमाग में सोच ले कर सकते हो तो कर सकते हो. एंड बिग थैंक्स टू रोहित सर, रियली वेरी मोटिवेटिंग एंड लाइक हो जाएगा कर. सो इट इज दैट मोटिवेशन.
Called you're the silent
ये
one.
साइलेंट किलर, या सो बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. मतलब व्हेन अगर आप कुछ मुझे बोलोगे अभी आज तो मेरे लिए वो रहेगा मेरे अंदर, बिकॉज आई नो यू हैव सीन द होल एरा ऑफ पीपल कमिंग इन एंड गोइंग एज वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट बिफोर दिस. सो it feels like, you know, रोहित सर बोल रहे हो तो ऐसा लगता है कि यार इतना बड़ा आदमी बोल रहे हैं मेरे पे कुछ, तो मेरे को अच्छे से परफॉर्म करना है. सो वो दो मोटिवेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो घर वाले तो है ही, बट वैलिडेशन थोड़ा बहुत चाहिए रहता है आपको एक्सटर्नल, इज व्हाट आई फील.
Would you say Gangubai was your breakout role in terms of cinema?
Yeah, absolutely. People started seeing me in a very different light after Gangubai.
So you must have auditioned. What all took to do a Bhansali film?
इट्स वेरी फनी. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मैंने एक पॉइंट में, एज आई सेड, आई टोल्ड यू कि एक रिजेक्शन हुआ था. आई थिंक इंटरव्यू के पहले बोला क्या मैंने आपको? हाँ.
Tell us about that.
नहीं बेसिकली आई वाज वेरी सिलेक्टेड फॉर अ प्रोजेक्ट फिल्म, बड़े डायरेक्टर की, एंड देन डेट वेट सब हो गए थे डिसाइड, एंड देन दे डिसाइडेड नॉट टू टेक मी. सो गिव मी वेरी फालतू सा रीजन कि ओ डेट्स आर नॉट वर्किंग, ये पर्टिकुलर डेट एक ही दिन है वो पर्टिकुलर चाहिए, और ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि हम कोई ऐसा रियल लोकेशन में कर रहे थे. तो लाइक ठीक है, कोई नहीं, इट वाज नॉट मेंट.
One day you got rejected.
Not kidding, not exaggerating.
Bapre.
So that happened, and after that मैंने वैसे बीच में ऑडिशंस दिए हैं, बट हमेशा वो 5 में आके oh you couldn't make it, sorry. So I was like, film is something that I have given up on, so I'm not. Then I was focusing on reality shows.
Did it make you cynical, or did it make you bitter at that point?
Frustrated, I would say. Bit frustrated कि I think I have potential is what I used to think. I have potential, but I'm not getting the opportunity is what the frustration was. So then I did Nach Baliye is when I got, while in the end rounds में I got a call from Shruti Mahajan's office. Shruti ma'am का खुद का call आया था actually, and उन्होंने बोला कि audition के लिए आना है. I was like, हाँ बोला अभी ये कर रहा हूँ मैं शो, कुछ होने वाला है नहीं. एंड द ब्रीफ वाज लाइक आलिया भट्ट के ऑपोजिट है, बहुत अच्छा रोल है, ये वो. आई सेड आलिया भट्ट के ऑपोजिट कहाँ, संजय सर कहाँ कोई न्यू कमर को लेने वाले हैं, कुछ भी. मतलब वही ऑडिशन होगा, 5 जन का सिलेक्शन होगा, टॉप में जाओगे, फिर बोलोगे रिजेक्ट हो गया. सेम ओल्ड. देन मैं ठीक है, मैं गया ऑडिशन देने, आया, जो भी है अच्छा लगा उनको, जो भी है वो दैट हैपेंड. देन वन डे, सो नेक्स्ट डे मेरा एक्ट था, हमारा टेक्निकल एक्ट व्यूइंग होती है, तो उसमें आपको प्रिपेयर करके दिखाना है, और हमारा कोरियोग्राफी खत्म नहीं है. दिस इज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अराउंड 4 PM. कल आपको सुबह दिखाना है, हमारा एक्ट ही रेडी नहीं है. मुझे अचानक से कॉल आता है अराउंड 3 o'clock के आसपास कि श्रुति मैम का दैट 4:30 के आसपास कि सर वांट्स टू मीट यू, कैन यू कम इन लाइक हाफ एन आवर 45 minutes. I said no. And I said no to Sanjay Leela Bhansali's meeting, you know. And I just came back inside rehearsal hall में and बोला कि यार किसी फ्रेंड से डिस्कस करा था कोरियोग्राफर से कि यार उनका कॉल आया, वो नहीं हो रहा है, वो शो भी है, तो ये अपना इम्पोर्टेंट है यार, कैसे खत्म हो. Mad, everyone sat me down. यार idiot or what? You're getting to meet him. This you can do anything. हम कुछ भी excuse बना देंगे यार यहाँ पर तो. Then they forced me to go and meet sir. That's when I met him first time, and then he saw me, and it was very intimidating. ऐसे देख रहे हैं सर, आप बैठे हैं, सर सिर्फ देख रहे हैं. और क्या कर रहे हो? And you're seeing, and then you are talking, but I can see that sir is only observing कि कैसे बात कर रहा है, क्या बात कर रहा है. I think he was looking at his angles and what not, and like कि कुछ है. And he I will not say, कुछ flaws बोले उन्होंने about features है, कुछ ऐसा. Like हो गया मंटा धार, मतलब यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. गया मैं, क्योंकि ऐसे कुछ ऐसा मेजर इंटरेक्शन नहीं था, बस सर देखते गए, 3-4 सवाल पूछे, हाँ ओके ठीक है, अच्छा ठीक है ओके, एंड देन द मैक्सिमम फ्लॉज. निकल गया. बोला फिर नेक्स्ट 1-2 दिन के बाद कॉल आया वापस श्रुति का, अरे बहुत अच्छा लगा सर को, वापस आना है तुमको, अब इस बार हम लोग कुछ क्या बोलते हैं उसको, लुक टेस्ट करेंगे. बोले क्या बात कर रहे हैं, लुक टेस्ट करेंगे, वेरी नाइस. सो दैट्स हाउ इट स्टार्टेड. देन लुक टेस्ट, देन 1-2 और चीज़ें कुछ हुई, फिर सर के सामने एक्टिंग करनी थी. दैट वाज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट पार्ट. नो कैमरा, नो नथिंग, सर ऐसे बैठे हैं यहाँ पर और रोने का कुछ सीन है. मैं बोला ये कैसे करूँगा, एंड सर गेव मी फ्यू टिप्स एंड लाइक चलो ठीक है फिर करते हैं. देन ही लाइक दैट. And that's how the audition होते हैं.
And how many days did you shoot, and were you intimidated with the star cast, and and also you had some very lovely scenes with Alia, especially I like the color white, the various, that. So how did you crack that?
I was not intimidated, to be honest. I was not intimidated on set. The only fear that I had was मैं replace हो जाऊँ. मैंने बहुत सुना था कि replace आएगा, अच्छा नहीं करेगा काम तो replace हो जाएगा, तो वही डर था. तो मतलब एवरी डे आई यूज्ड टू टेक इट एज माई लास्ट डे और अपना बेस्ट देता था. सो दैट्स हाउ आई यूज्ड टू डू इट. मतलब लिटरली, और मैं ये सच में एग्जैजरेट नहीं कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज आज रिलीज हो गई है, यही रहा है मेरा कि.
So when did you realize अभी नहीं रिप्लेस करेंगे?
नहीं, मुझे एंड तक
till the last day.
Obviously you feel कि confident, but then again फिल्म में आप ये सुनते हो ना कि आपके सीन्स कट जाते हैं या कुछ हो जाता है, तो आपको पूरा.
आपके कितने सीन्स कट?
मेरे सीन्स नहीं कटे, मेरे सीन्स एक्चुअली ऐड हुए. Yeah, the song was not on me. मेरी जान was not on me.
Oh, nice. Yeah. So lovely, you were lovely in the.
Even वो सीन नहीं है एक्चुअली, वो जो गंगूबाई को देने आता है ना, वो ब्लाउज देने आता है, and then that she's bathing, वो सीन नहीं था, वो ऐड हुआ है यार.
Nice. So how many days you shoot, and like what was the experience with Alia like, because Alia is also a very supportive co-actor.
I must have shot for like 18 days or something, ऐसा कुछ होगा. Bits and pieces, किसी दिन नहीं भी हुआ शूट, ऐसा भी है. Alia is super sweet. She breaks that ice, of superstar or that aura that she has. और एक around में भी बन जाता है ना, Alia is यार. But she was like, we'll rehearse. हाँ ठीक है, rehearse करते हैं एक बार. जो भी है, very casual. It didn't feel कि I'm like how people say Alia Bhatt के साथ तूने romance किया. It never felt like that. It felt very genuine. Like a human to human, a normal, natural conversation. मैंने पहले भी बोला है, वो उसको मुझे लगता है कि उसको पीसना आता था, I mean, cards को, but just to break that ice, she asked, do you know, and then like teach me, and then then she knew after a point. But yeah, very sweet. अगर नहीं भी आता है और आता है दोनों भी वे में, I just felt कि it's very sweet of her. नहीं तो 50 असिस्टेंट आगे खड़े हो सकते हैं या उसका ऑनट्राज में ही बता देगा कोई कैसे पीसते हैं. But to break that ice is very important, so that approach comes, that I can also have a conversation with you and ask you if you want to ask.
So Gangubai led to what? Did it make you more selective, or did it like again whet your appetite? Ki okay, now I have tasted big budget commercial cinema, so now I want to be a full-on hero. What happened post Gangubai?
A perception change happened that this guy can act also, because he has been launched by Sanjay Leela Bhansali. So, and the song is beautiful. He has performed very well, and एक छाप छूट गई. So that gave everyone a thing कि अच्छा हाँ इसको देखा है टीवी में, but हाँ उसने बहुत बेहतरीन काम किया. So that became the conversation. In terms of appetite, yes, when you work with him, he's a genius. Sanjay sir is genius. मतलब from the एक beat को छोड़ना, कैसे करना, क्या करना.
Fired on the set.
I didn't. एक बार एक शॉट के लिए हुआ. Fired नहीं, was just irritated after a point कि तेरा टेक ले लिया अभी ढंग से कर दे. जहाँ पे जब सैया में शॉट है जहाँ पे मैं बोलता हूँ यू मी घूमने चले ऐसा. So वो 3-4 वेरिएशन कर रहे थे, वो आ ही नहीं रहा था, वो बीट पे नहीं आ रहा था जैसा सर को चाहिए था. और वो he was not feeling it. He feels his shot in सामने his artist's performances. वो feel नहीं हो रहा था उनको. तो उसमें एक दिन बस गाली, बाकी उसमें किसी में
गाली पड़ी.
गाली मतलब गाली नहीं, लाइक क्या कर रहा है अच्छे से कर. लाइक हाँ सर करता. बट ही वाज वेरी स्वीट. ही वाज वेरी स्वीट टू मी. ओवरऑल यार बहुत मजा. सबने बहुत डरा के रखा था मुझे कि बहुत जानेंगे अच्छे से करना, ये करना हो रहा है. बट ही वाज वेरी स्वीट. मतलब कुछ सीन उन्होंने अप्रिशिएट किया, ऐसा बोला कि वाओ.
Did you feel bad you were not a part of Hira Mandi then?
No, I mean sir है ना, मतलब these legendary directors I feel are very true to their art. They're true to their casting. So उनका ऐसा नहीं, अगर उनको लगेगा कि मैं I can make that difference and that role is for me, he will call me and make me do it. अगर उनको लगता है कि नहीं this is not right for him, then he will not. Yeah, मतलब ऐसा मुझे तो लगा. Yeah.
So then, what happened after Gangubai? Like, what are the kind of films you said no to, and the kind of films you said yes?
I mean, there were a few typical independent projects that came in my way, and then एक आपको लगता है कि इसका एक नाम आ रहा है ऊपर कि अरे very nice, the guy who was launched by Sanjay Leela Bhansali. तो सब जन जो बैठे रहते हैं to maybe I don't know spoil you or something, तो सब आते हैं कि
suddenly find new friends, new relatives?
Yeah, थोड़े बहुत आते हैं, थोड़े बहुत. तो वो आए, and then I was like, I'm not feeling the right energy, so I don't want to do random stuff. And my training has been from TV also, कि script is the hero. So you have to be very sure of what you are doing. मतलब अभी आपका बल्ला चल रहा है तो ऐसा नहीं कि सब matches, सब चीजें खेलने हैं आपको. You need to be very careful, and obviously I mean, Sanjay sir was there to guide me also कि क्या कर रहा है बताना मुझे, let me know what are you doing next types. So that also happened, and तो I made sure कि I do right scripts. वो कुछ लोग आते हैं कि हम कर देंगे, हम इधर के लिए बना रहे हैं, ऑस्कर के लिए बना रहे हैं, उसके लिए बना रहे हैं. लाइक हाँ ठीक है भाई. मतलब वो आदमी अगर वो संजय सर अगर ये नहीं बोलते हैं आफ्टर सीइंग व्हाट ही इज मेकिंग, तो तुम कहाँ से तुम क्या बोल रहे हो, so I mean that it helps you keep you grounded.
Then you played a young Ajay Devgan in Neeraj Pandey's film. Yes. So how was that experience?
Neeraj sir is my favorite. पहला director जिनको मैंने मतलब Google किया होगा, that was him. After watching Wednesday, I Googled him कि कौन है इनका director. So I was like very fond of his style of filmmaking. So तो मैं गया ऑडिशन के लिए, जो भी ऑडिशन हुआ सिलेक्ट हुआ, देन उन्होंने बोला कि एक सर के साथ टेस्ट होगा वेयर सर विल गिव यू इंस्ट्रक्शंस एंड यू हैव टू एक्ट विद प्रॉपर लाइक दिस थिंग शूट सेटअप एंड एवरीथिंग. सो वो हुआ, फिर सर ने बोला, वेरी वेरी पेशेंट. हाँ मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ अलग, और इनका एकदम अलग स्टाइल ऑफ फिल्म मेकिंग की कम सी द शॉट. सो यू सी देयर आई डोंट वांट दैट बीट एंड ही इज वेरी स्पेसिफिक. This beat I don't want. Try to make it. अभी ये इमोशन 6 पे है, उसको 10 लेकर जाओ. and then फिर 4 पे आओ. So he is like that. So I tried to do what he was asking me to do, and then obviously we had series of workshop. Finally, मतलब he was happy about it. Sorry, I was coming to that part जहाँ पे मैं ऐसा skeptical था कि करना है कि नहीं करना है. So I had already was logged for another show. मिल लिया था मैंने सब लोगों से. फिर सर ने बोला सर का है, मतलब obviously मूवी सर के साथ I can't miss that, so I have to do this. Then उन्होंने बोला कि बाल काटने होंगे, and I have not seen myself like in past 10 years कि मैं बाल काटने का कैसा दिखूंगा, और मतलब full shave. मतलब मुझे आइडिया ही नहीं है कि कैसा दिखूंगा. कल को सर ने रिजेक्ट कर दिया मुझे अगेन कि कटवा दो, फिर रिजेक्ट हो जाए, ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा. हम लोग वेरी मच टीम वाज ट्राइंग टू सेल सर को सर प्रोस्थेटिक कर लेते वो.
Oh, you had to be with full bald.
हाँ, मतलब मूवी में है ना एकदम छोटे वन पे. सो आई वाज लाइक आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. बट ही वाज लाइक कि आई विल गो अहेड विद दिस गाय, but this is not negotiable. He has to. But when he said like this, I want to go ahead with this guy, is what was communicated to us. I was like, if he's saying that, I will do it. क्या होगा, कभी ना कभी तो बाल काटने पड़ेंगे किसी ना किसी रोल के लिए. अब एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे नहीं कर रहे ऑडियंस या जो भी है, तुम खुद नहीं एक्सपेक्ट करो, बट अगर उनका कन्विक्शन है, which I feel he's also a legendary director, so I will go ahead with his conviction. और मतलब he is thinking me एज अ जूनियर अजय देवगन. मैं उसी में ऐसा था कि वाओ, मतलब ये तो करना है, ये तो रोल निभाना ही है मुझे जैसे भी. सर ने भी बहुत मेहनत की है वर्कशॉप में. सो या दैट्स हाउ इट हैपेंड.
And then how did Chalchitra happen? I mean, you're doing, you grew up in Calcutta, so I'm guessing you speak the language.
Yes, I'm not very fluent, but I understand the language and I can speak. All I need is a bit of practice and push. So Pratim sir, I have worked with the director of Chalchitra. I have worked with him on Tooth Pari. Yes, this is a Netflix show, Tooth Pari. So I worked with him, and I had said sir ko ki, sir, I want to work something like I want to do a Bengali film. I've been wanting to do it for a very long time. I come from that place. I would want to give it back to that culture and filmmaking aspect of it also in my own way. So I used to keep asking. मुझे कभी कभी ऑफर आते तो मैं पूछता था सर से, सर ये डायरेक्टर ऐसा कुछ आ रहा है, ये प्रोडक्शन हाउस ऐसा कुछ आ रहा है. He used to guide me. And then one fine day he only said कि तू एक मेरे ने एक स्क्रिप्ट लिखी है. मैं सर ऐसे बोलते, मैंने एक स्क्रिप्ट लिखी है, तू देख एक बार, तेरे को अगर अच्छा लगता है तो देख. So like I read the script. I felt it was very nice the way it has written. Everyone, the story is working in a very nice manner and everything. So I told him, yes sir, I would love to do it. And how we managed the shoot is a different story altogether. मतलब literally 18 days में पूरी shoot complete हुई है फिल्म की. Okay, so बंगाली फिल्म में उतना ही मतलब मैक्स होता है, उससे ज़्यादा मतलब 20 मतलब बहुत दिन ले लिया है तुमने मूवी बनाने में, वैसा हो जाता है. I used to literally एक शॉट तो ऐसा है उसमें कि यहाँ पे मैंने डायलॉग खत्म किया है, एग्जिट है कैरेक्टर का, और मैंने एग्जिट लिया है फॉर एयरपोर्ट. Literally ऐसे हो रहे थे क्योंकि I had promotions and I had campus beats simultaneously which was being shot here. So and वो time period बहुत कम होता है सबके dates का बंगाली फिल्म में ऐसा. So but it was an amazing experience. I loved the outcome of the film, the reaction. I mean initially हम लोगों को बहुत कम screens मिले थे. Then because word of mouth spread and everyone started talking about the film, तो एक अलग सा मतलब माहौल बन गया and everyone started watching it and more screens we got. Now it has released in US, Middle East and UK also. So I'm like.
And Campus Beat had 4 seasons, huh?
Yeah, 4 seasons we have completed. We have already shot for 5th, so very soon maybe we'll be releasing it.
So does a monotony set in when you do the same thing every season after season?
The best part is the show is interesting. It's an ensemble, so there's a lot to offer, and I feel dance university and the characters that we have built have so much to play that it doesn't seem monotonous. I mean, we are doing something or the other in every season. There's a different flavor that we are trying to build. So kudos to the writing team and the direction team for making it the way it is. And अभी तक तो वो stagnation नहीं आया कि अरे कुछ same ही चीज करवा रहे बार-बार. अभी तक.
Do you feel it a bit of a come down would you go back to television now at this phase in your career?
Not really. I mean, in fact, जब मैं गंगूबाई करके आया था, मैंने फिर टूथ परी किया, then everyone was like skeptical कि तू Amazon mini का क्यों show कर रहा है, you know कि अरे तू कहाँ film कर रहा है, ये कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है, and then इसमें I was like script is important. For me, script and my characters are important. I feel this is offering me something which no one is offering me in the market. So I would want to do it. And आज I see everyone is there on mini TV. I mean, not comparing or anything, but सब जन आ रहे हैं ना, मतलब सुनील शेट्टी सर भी है वहाँ पर, आपके जग्गूदा भी है वहाँ पर. You name the big actors and they are coming on that platform. So everyone was skeptical कि तू इधर पे क्यों जा रहा है? But I'm like, it's important who is helping us, seek and explore our potential. So that's the thing. Yeah.
So what's the best piece of and worst piece of advice that you have got so far?
Worst piece of advice is you have to lick ass to make it big in the industry or be there somewhere in the industry. I think it's not necessary. You meet the right people at the right time and opportunity will come here and there, I feel. थोड़ा patience required है, as you were saying, patience की क्यों लोगों को कदर नहीं है, but I think yes, that release of Gangubai really taught me patience as well, because it took a lot of time. COVID के समय था, so we were like reconsidering कब करना है क्या नहीं करना है. So that is something, and I'm like देर है दुरुस्त है, that is very important. So ये मुझे लगता है बहुत ही worst piece of advice है कि you have to lick ass, जाना पड़ता है आपको, कुछ करना पड़ता है, देना पड़ता है आपको. नहीं, ये सब नहीं हो पाएगा वैसे. So yeah.
You became this sort of teen sensation, no, with Campus Beats. Yeah. So what do the girls tell you? What do the boys tell you? What is the kind of response? Is it equal?
It's kind of equal preference, I would say. But from guys, it's more towards the dance aspect of it. And आपकी journey देखिए, world of dance and that we would love to do that. And आपको आज हम लोग देखते हैं बड़े सिनेमा में, बड़े पर्दे पे, तो ऐसा लगता है कि like हमारा कोई अपना गया है वहाँ पे. So that's very very so much warmth in that comment itself. So I think वो बहुत ही लड़कों की तरफ से काफ़ी आता है, सर आपने बहुत इंस्पायर किया है. दूसरा लड़कों की तरफ से आता है कि मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड आपकी बहुत बड़ी फैन है, so आप प्लीज़ उसके लिए वीडियो या बर्थडे विशेस दे दो, मेरा दिन बन जाएगा, मेरी लाइफ बन जाएगी, ये सब. And then yeah, girls do approach. ठीक है मतलब.
How do you balance your personal and professional life?
I differentiate it pretty well, I feel. I mean, though I'm a workaholic, so
like would you date an actor?
I'm not too sure. Not too sure. Totally depends on the character of the person.
So are you in a relationship currently?
No, I'm in love with someone. I always say that, and that has been there for a very long time. Unfortunately.
So when you say love, is it two-way love? Or
no, it's just one-way love. Yeah.
Oh. Nothing that you do or say convinces her.
No.
Okay. So how do you deal with heartbreak then?
I don't feel it's a heartbreak. I don't feel. I understood the line that "ऐ दिल है मुश्किल" में शाहरुख खान says कि एक तरफा प्यार में बहुत ताकत होती है. So I understand that. So I mean, it keeps me going. I have no regrets at all. I mean, if things happen, I'm more than happy. But नहीं है तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप मर जाओगे. I'm happy.
So you're holding a candle for that person.
Yeah, absolutely. And we'll hold.
Oh wow, this is like old school love, huh?
I believe in that.
Who are the actors who have really inspired you over the years, and people whose career you like watching, and
I was big fan of Govinda sir. मैं ज़्यादा थिएटर में जाके मूवीज़ देखा नहीं हूँ. मैं जो देखा हूँ जी सिनेमा में मूवीज़ देखता था. So गोविंदा सर की बहुत फिल्म्स देखी है मैंने. I like Amir sir a lot. Amir sir ki acting and performance is something that inspiring. Sunny Deol sir. My father is a huge fan of Sunny Deol. So he always used to Damini, Ghatak, Ghayal, ये सब जब भी आई है टीवी पे तो हम लोगों को देखना ही है. So and I think he has a certain charm. जो वो रोल से वही कर सकते हैं और कोई नहीं कर सकता. I think.
Also, how does your family react to your did they want you to, because from the family you get into some business? Were they skeptical about you joining film?
As I said, I wanted to pursue photography, but my father, we were not in the right financial place at that point of time. So father was like, it's a very uncertain business. We don't know this aspect कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं. मैं तेरे को कोई guidance भी नहीं दे सकता, नहीं मैं मैं किसी से दिलवा सकता हूँ. So I mean, being a Marwadi from a Marwadi family, the first thing is being a CA. So that is, and I was very good in accounts. I was very good in accounts. So I was like, hey, let's just try to pursue this. पर उसमें भी बहुत ही एकदम बेवकूफ़ी ऐसी चीज़ की मैंने. फर्स्ट एंट्रेंस का पेपर होता है CPT का, राइट? वो गया था खरीदने, मैं और मेरा फ्रेंड. हम लोग लेके आए पार्ट 1 का पेपर लेकर आ गए हम लोग. तो हम लोग दोनों को समझ में आ गया, देखिए साइन है ऊपर वाला कि ये नहीं करना है हम लोगों को. और फिर बाद में नेक्स्ट डे आके ब्लैक में वो बेचा है हम लोगों ने कि कोई ले लो यार, कोई ले लो, 10 रुपये 100 रुपये कम दे देना पर ये ले लो पैसे. सो दैट्स व्हेन आई रियलाइज. बट या, वन थिंग माई फैमिली वॉज वेरी श्योर कि ग्रेजुएशन तो करना है, कुछ भी हो जाए ग्रेजुएशन करना, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कुछ नहीं तो कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना, तू एटलीस्ट लेजर तो भर देगा ना किसी के, वो काम कर लेगा तो. सो दैट वाज देयर. बाकी ऐसा कुछ.
Was there any sort of humiliation that you faced in the course of becoming an actor? Something that has really stayed with you, ki, you know, I will not behave like this with people when I come to a position of power.
I just feel that for any events or any, when I'm saying events, I also mean reality show events when people come on, to promote their project. I also feel award shows जो हमारे होते हैं, जो parties होती है वो सब. I just feel everyone has that hierarchy in mind. You know, if I have to meet you, I would meet you. Hello sir, ये वो. And if I have to meet, hello. I don't want to do that. I feel I want to keep it genuine. If I'm saying hello to you, I want to say with the same level of interest to the next person who I meet, who has not made it big to what you have done. But I don't want them to feel bad about it, or feel any lesser. Yeah, that's the right word. So I feel that is a lot which I would definitely, I hope ये मैं रख पाऊँ अपने पास तक कि मैं ये ना कर पाऊँ differentiate. I think a lot of people say the same thing about Shah Rukh sir also, कि he makes you feel larger than life and my attention is all towards you. I'm not saying कि मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ इसमें, but I'm working. I would want to change that. That is something.
How do you improve your craft? Like, आप क्या करते हो? Like, do you do occasional workshops? How do you, like, what is your reference point in the sense? How do you know you are better than you were in the previous film?
If the first point and your first audience is your director, so always ask. There's no harm in asking 50 बार to the director. Because he has lived the story, he's living the story, and it's his baby more than anyone's. So always ask. I keep asking, is this okay? Have I been able to fulfill your vision? That is very important, I feel. If that tick is there, then I feel half of my work is done. Then obviously when I see it, मैं क्या improve कर सकता था, क्या नहीं कर सकता था, that is something. I have a good observation and good. A good amount of self-criticism goes in whatever I watch. So I'm very particular about few things. मतलब जो मैं देखता हूँ, मुझे अगर नहीं अच्छा लगा तो नहीं अच्छा लगा, कोई मुझे और convince नहीं कर सकता उस बारे में. Very headstrong that way. So I think, and obviously you have your own people around you जिनके views मायने रखते हैं. बाकी जनता तो उठाने के लिए अच्छे खासा उठा देगी और गिराने समय आएगी भी नहीं. So I think the right people around, there are people who really help me in that as well. But यार यही सब चीज़ों से समझ में आता है कि if you have done it right or not.
What do you like most about yourself and least about yourself?
Most about myself and least about myself. Okay. Most, I can work hard. I can really work hard. I think I have that. That's what it stays. Least about myself, I would say, there are 2-3 things actually. I'm not a very good communicator. I'm not someone who can express very well, I feel. And अभी फिलहाल 2 में ही रखता हूँ.
And finally, if you had to do something differently with your life, or any part of your life, if you have to revisit again, which would it be and why?
Maybe very early days I would go, childhood times, where I could learn classical form of dance. Yeah.
So it's not too late, no, now?
It gets very difficult because अब आपने
When you say classical, you mean like Bharatanatyam?
Bharatanatyam, yeah, Bharatanatyam, Indian classical forms. So yeah, I wish I could have learned that.
So do you go and see a lot of classical performances?
Not live events, honestly, but YouTube में मैं देखता रहता हूँ बीच-बीच में. Like कुछ ऐसे tutorials उठा के देख लूँगा मैं. कुछ ऐसी performances.
So that's like a dream role if you got something like say Kamala Hassan and Sagar Hassan.
Yeah. I would love to. I would love to train for it and then perform. Yeah. I think it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
It gives you a lot of
You've seen Sagar Sangamam? You've seen?
I've not seen, but I've seen songs इधर-उधर सर के, मतलब कमल हसन सर के songs, प्रभुदेवा सर के songs मैंने बहुत देखे.
Like even somebody like Mohanlal, when he dances Bharatanatyam in a film called Kamala Dalam, he is just like, you forget that this is such a heavy man dancing.
I mean, that art has given them that confidence कि even if you're heavy, you can carry those mudras, your body language becomes so strong that you're aware कि लोग अब मेरा ये सिर्फ नहीं देख रहे हैं, मेरा ये भी देख रहे हैं और इसके साथ मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ वो मैं जो चाह रहा हूँ वहाँ पर वो देखेंगे.
You've gone through any physical injuries because of your dance?
Yeah, a lot of them. I mean, yeah, a lot of them. Ankle तो दोनों ऐसे घूमे हुए पड़े हुए हैं. There's a hip injury that I have. There's a groin pull that keeps rising, and there's a shoulder injury that I have. There's a बहुत है सर, छोड़ो ना. बॉडी को बोलने का नहीं है सब.
Now, what's next for you? Like, is there some sort of aspiration or hope that you wish to say, like a dream role or a dream project?
This is something that I've realized recently. Okay, I want to be a superstar. Now, when I'm saying superstar, my definition is not just for the fame part of it. What my definition is, where I have the freedom and leeway to work and collaborate with people who I want to. You know, that freedom for me is being a superstar. And that is not just limited to being in films, that comes to other aspects also. Be doing something good for the community, dance community that I come from, doing something, giving people, finding a way or building a community where I can give opportunity to newcomers, collaborating with them, doing live events, having the freedom to take holiday when I want, and at the same time doing something for social cause as well. So that freedom is that motivates me and keeps me going. One day I will achieve that, so that I can be on the driver's seat. You know.
A large part of an actor's life is waiting. Like an actor told me, you are paid to wait. Yeah. So is that frustrating, or have you made your peace with that?
I've made peace with that. I mean, I've found out ways.
What's the longest that you have waited between projects?
I think the last when I did Nach Baliye, I had to like really wait a long time for my next release. And हमारे इंडस्ट्री में यही बोलते हैं जब तक दिखता है तब तक बिकता है. So yeah, मतलब for me it was like मैं कर तो चुका हूँ काम, but at the same time I had to wait for a very long time. And then उसके पहले D3 खत्म होने के बाद to get the next project was the longest wait I felt. But then yeah, मतलब luckily God has been kind. कुछ ना कुछ चलते आ रहा है. So yeah, being able to survive.
So great. Here's to many more fluid dance performances, many more fluid acting roles, and just be you.
Thank you.
Damn good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It was. अब सब बोलते हैं अब एक बहुत ही क्लीशे साउंड करेगा, but बहुत genuine लगा आपसे बात करके. I mean, it really felt like I'm having a conversation with a senior, experienced journalist, but at the same time a kind of a guide and knowledgeable person. Yeah.
A lot of fun chatting.
Yeah. Will not take much of time. Yeah. Thank you. Lovely chatting with you.